In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your document for the book project. Then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create those master pages for the book project and a couple tricks to make your life easier. So we're going to make a new file right here. And sometimes it takes a while to load. And we are going to make it 6 inches by 9 inches. And that's because the file that we have, or the paper we have, is set up in such a way that we can actually create a 16-page folio, or signature is another word that we use. 6 inches by 9 inches is the size. And we are going to have it be this orientation. If you want it to be another orientation, you can actually change that later on. For the number of pages, we're going to start with just one. We are going to have facing pages because in our book it will be a facing pages document. We're going to start at 1. Our columns, I'm actually going to reduce the size to 3. Just so we have a few things to, guides to go with as we're laying things out. Not a requirement. You could have just the one column. That is fine. I like to have a couple so that I can vary my design a little bit more. The margins, I'm actually going to make mine 1/4 of an inch, 0.25. The reason I'm going to do that is because that is kind of the bare minimum that we need. Some things are going to get cut off if they are outside of that 1/4 of an inch as we print it, but this will be, because it's only 6 inches by 9 inches, a 1/2 inch border actually takes a lot of my space away, so I'm going to reduce that size. This is something that you actually have an option for. Really the important thing for me is that it is 6 inches by 9 inches right here. That is what is important for our document. Beyond that, you can change the columns, you can change the margins, and even, if you want, the bleed and slug. Okay? So there we go. We have a document right here, and this is our page. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get these master pages working for us and how to make life easier for us.